Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Adobe Creative Cloud easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Adobe website by entering adobe.com in your web browser. Once on the home page, look for the Creative Cloud option located in the menu. Click on Creative Cloud to access information about the suite of applications. Scroll down to find the Plans section to explore available subscription options. Choose a plan that best fits your needs. After selecting a plan, click the Buy Now or Start Free Trial button. If you already have an Adobe account, click on Sign in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password to log in. If you're new to Adobe, click on Sign Up to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password, ensuring it meets Adobe's security criteria. Next, review and accept Adobe's terms and conditions by checking the required box. Click the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Once your account is created, you may need to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Adobe. Click the link in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the Adobe site and log in with your credentials. With your account active, you can continue to complete your purchase. Enter your payment details, including credit card information. Review your order summary for accuracy before confirming the purchase. Click the Place Order button to finalize the transaction. Once purchased, you will gain access to the Adobe Creative Cloud dashboard. From the dashboard, you can download and install any Adobe applications you need. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation of your selected apps. You're now ready to explore the creative possibilities with Adobe Creative Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.